Asikhulume podcast. Hey, yesterday I was supposed to drop an episode as a Tuesday, but today it's Wednesday. Back as usual. Hey, team yam guys. Team yam busy. I'm having a busy team because they are not getting paid here in Asikhulume podcast. But as I promised to you, my viewers, my subscribers, my followers, I will try to keep my best of the things that I'm doing. Drop episode even any now and then, but it's so hard ukuthi urane i-podcast unganayo studio equipment, unganayo sponsor, but senze sisebenzisa sinako sithole unganawo. Part 2 nagogo la mntwana amadlozi, mntwana seGauteng. Ayi, part 2 guys, part 2. I know you always I think manibona yena very already ukuthi mntwana omncane kanje Sangoma, hey, blah, 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 blah. We're not there yet. Last week we were talking, because of phone in a the family, okay, she got a very supporting family. The family, okay, but the podcast as we were talking to them. Put up complain about, man, you don't talk about me. But it's so hard ukuthi abantu bakhulume ngawo sakhona. Bakhuluma ngawo mawusohambile most of the time. It's all right ukuthi uthola abantu bakhulume ngawo sakhona. Hey no, unenhlanhla mabakhuluma ngawo. But most of the time bakhuluma ngawo izinto ezibhedayo. Uyabheda uzibani uyabheda. So namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngaye ubhuti wakhe nasimfake nje. Simfake and many more. We're going to be talking about many things. We're going to be talking about you going to, what do you call the name of the school?
Aura Girls.
What is the Aura Girls? Only girls school. Only girls there. Uqhunuba tomboy lapha lomunye uba like you wish lapha kulesa school. So she been to that school and in neighbor school yakhe belinye isikole bathi bekufunda boKiller Cow. You know Killer Cow before the Killer Cow, you know, before he passed away. Oh, when?
11 school.
Oh, 11. I'm not supposed to be la when I
11.
Oh, it's 11 school. Oh, the name of the school. Oh, okay. So tell us about your brother, the one who I even talked to your dad. Hayi ndoda uyambuza umntana mama question kanje. Nami yeze eMpumalanga ngifuna nami uzongibuza lama question obuza ingane yami kanje. Hawa uthatha happy right engaka ubuza umntana mama question kanje. Deep kanje. Hi, shout out to your family. Shout out to them. I know they are very supporting. Yeah, shout out to your family. Unenhlanhla. It's so hard ukuthi uthole family supportana kanje. Umama nobaba nabantwana. Yo, I know it's so you're so lucky. You can introduce yourself once again because now abanye episode yokuqala siyenze maybe bayibonanga bazobona le. Go and check it out guys. It's already dropped. Yes.
Okay. Unolithanda ukhulumayo akamhale uphuma le Joburg kodwa ngila eMpumalanga right now. Soweto, Joburg, imndeni.
Yeah. So who was that brother of yours that was crying with you? Why you not mention? Let's talk about him just for 5 minutes nyana.
Oh, ubhuti okay, igama lakho uSifiso Nhlapho.
Okay.
Yeah, second born kamama.
Yeah.
Yeah, naye unothando kakhulu.
Ne.
Eish. Mara ukhali.
Ukhali la star.
Like mangam describe. Uyachikana.
Yini chikana phela ish.
Like uchiki.
Yeah, so long time. What's the name? What's that name in English? Cheeky. I don't understand. What's the meaning of cheeky?
Saying specific right now.
Oh, specific.
Okay, like umuntu mawukhuluma naye uyathethisana like kanje
okay.
yabo.
Ne.
So that's why ngamentionanga then there because of I know ukuthi unesithunzi yena self.
Okay.
And then at the same time there are certain things like lezi ngeke ngizikhulume naye kakhulu.
When you engage
yabo ngiyamsaba kahle kahle ukhuluma iqiniso not ukuthi angifaki
Sifiso abathi bakusaba, that's the reason bangakufaka.
yabo ngiyakuhlonipha not ukuthi ngisaba ngoba ngiyakudelela or what but ukuhlonipha like nawe sodlala ipart ekaTebugo ekababami yabona. So angisho ukuthi mhlambe maybe ngisalile emuva or what nami ubhuti kimi sasa uyongithintitha uthi sokuma uzimele naku kanje you understand. I honestly speaking unothando unenhliziyo enhle but ngiyakusaba bhuti wami mara ngisaba ngokuhlonipha because nawe angifuni ukukwatisa ngoba ngiyazi ezinye izinto awufani awuvumi nje isinoma kanjani you understand. That's why ngithi mina ufana noTebo because naye beyangayithatha ishit kube manje nje ngikhuluma kumanje sengisele ngawe umuntu ongibonisa ukuthi yini kumele ngayenzi yini kumele ngiyenze but since ngoba mina nawe si distance mina nawe you understand. But nami ngiyafunda ngomuntu ngiyakhula nami ngikhula phambi kwenu. It's good to have ama siblings ama brothers ukuthi akhona ukuthi nawe akukhulise nawe then because ayike ukukhulisa umuntu osestradeni kumele ukhulise yibo laba ozala nabo kumbe laba okhula nabo.
But yakhulisa abantu basestradini abasekhaya bakhona sometimes.
Some of them
but imndeni siyothola endleleni. So uSifiso unomndeni wakhe naye manje. He's having his own family like a wife, children akahlala nabo.
Unayo umntwana. Uyiwani kanakhe. Ukhona khona ngalivamile.
Okay.
And then yena uhlala nomuntu wakhe.
Okay.
But ekhaya kubo ivamile.
Kabo
bababo.
Okay. Kabo baba Sifiso.
uSifiso noSandile.
Okay.
Ubhuti wami third born mina ngi-4.
Okay. So what's that one thing lofisa ukuyikhuluma naye uSifiso but uyasaba ukuyikhuluma naye? What's that one thing lekuthi I wish ukuthi ngabe ubhuti wami ufana nobhuti ka friend of mine yabo because ubhuti ka friend of mine uyakhuluma just like that, you understand. Angeke ngikhuluma kakhulu about the text that you received yesterday, you understand, because the ndoda leyana nosisi wakhe the way they were talking like what's that one thing ofisa ukuyikhuluma noSifiso but you can't talk to him because as you say uchiki ubhuti wami. Okay, he understand ukuthi sengimdala, you understand, but the respect okay irrespect it's always there, you understand. No matter ukuthi sizalwe ndawonye or umuntu oyi-one nani but ukumsaba kungukuthi angifuni ukuthi nento esinaki sengiyenza bese ngithi ngiyamtshela mangimtshela bese uyavumelana nayo uyangichika, you understand. Akungcono ukuthi lento ngiyigweme mina ngiyothi mangiyibona ngithi hayi man la you understand. So into engayisho ke ngaye engisabayo kakhulu kunazo zonke uzaba nokuyimention ngathi uyambheka manje mawukhuluma la ngathi ubhekile manje usaba nokuyikhuluma lento
hey
but he's the one who say ukuthi why ungakhulumi ngami so kahle ufuna umbuzo yini ngimele ngikhulume ngawo my brother mawucabanga yini bekamele ukuthi bekacabanga ukuthi kumele ngikhulume ngayo mawucabanga ini man.
I think okay because I know there's this thing okay mention the first one ukuthi unjani nani unothando ibuka lana if uphi. So now I think the feeling le engikuthi njengoba mina ngisho lo yakuqala sekaba na that thing ukuthi usho ukuthi mina ayikho iphathe ngidlala kuthanda
kind of
you understand. Kusho ukuthi asungubhuti kuye but anyways mina bhuti wami ubhuti kimi ngiyakuhlonipha yokuhlonipha ngize nyova ngisho noma ngisemshadweni ngifuna kube wena ongilwelayo la bangi-attack ngaphandle.
Oh uyafisa ukushada?
Yeah.
This woman some weeks ago she was saying
It toxic like yo. Like okay mind yabuya it's ngishada ayi mara ngithi mara ngiyabona ukuthi nje along the way like since nje ngihamba this journey ngiyabona ngathi ngizoba nama gigabanyana ama hips
ne
yani
so khuluma nje sorry ukuvala
kanjalo
so what makes you that day utshela umama uthi ayi mina hayi mina sengiyeke kuba intombazana nyalo ngifuna ukuba lesbian
like okay nje know okay ngicela le topic azange ngithi okay angifuni ukumention ukuthi into engifuna ukuyenza bengifuna ukubona i-reaction yakhe ukuthi mangathi sokwenzeka so ngabona ukuthi ayi yashintsha uba i-chameleon
tshintsha babalabala
hayi wathuma songihlanyela hayi la kwami la yabona so kushuthi kuba ngathi umama akathandi honestly speaking akathandi ukuthi adapte izinto zangaphandle ngoba sibona abanye abantu bazenza ufuna ukuthi ube uwe
kahle
original obviously life inye uhlangabe ungahlangabezani nezinto
ama challenges nyana abhedayo amanye akho
you understand uzola uxabene naye ushane naye enxabane athi nomunye ini ntoni but then ufundise ukuthi nje kumele ngiqale nje ngizithande ngaqala ngingathanda umuntu wangaphandle ngingakazithandi ngingakayifuni mina angibe selfish ngami
what happened? Did you get a text or you're calling someone and that someone doesn't pick up your phone and waqabanga ukuthi doesn't delay ama guys there fuck off man, let me do girls
yayenzeka because of umfana mina according mina the way mina i-mindset yami ngiyibona ngakhona ukuthi kahle asukuthi each and every time kumele ube like ube that
uhlala ugcwala umoya
yabona njalo ula uqala umfana mama uthetha ukhuluma nani ignore you understand lesikhathi wena uthi uyamkhuza hayi umoshile so yabona ukuthi uba nezinto question abantu besimama thina okay thina ama 2000 ngethu honestly speaking singakhulu ngabantu besimama because asifani thina ama 2000 iproblem yethu ukuthi sifuna into manje
indaba kanti
you understand it's like manje mawungangenzeli fast hayi man ngiyaphuma kuwe you understand so yabona ukuthi nalento le ibuye emotion engqondo ukuthi manje ukuthi wona so ujwayele ukwenzelwa fast because kusasa kuyelimala abantu
wena. So do you wish to date someone like Sfiso in your life? Or marry someone like Sfiso?
I can't. Hey, I can't.
Why? It's too harsh, ne?
Hey. Uyasabeka ubhuti wami mara isithunzi sakhe yami.
Uyasabeka facially?
Hey, uyathusa.
For real?
Uyathusa kokubi nani. Ngisho like makwatile kuba fam kuba. No, ungabaleka. Yo, ungabaleka sham. Ubhuti wami. Shout out.
So now Sfiso manje wena someone wanna marry you, pay lobola ngani? Someone wanna pay lobola. How do you approach your brother? Maybe like just the reason I wish to see like brother wako, but ngani uyasabeka. And manje umuntu ufuna uwenza malobo and I wanna tell him that thing was my brother, someone wanna lobola me, yabo? Ngam approach kanjani?
Pero that thing is okay, it's understandable.
What's understandable?
Yeah, understanding because of it comes in a good way and it comes in a respective way. Ukuthi uyahlonipha lo muntu uyeza azove. Not ukuthi ngithi bhuti ngiyajola. Uzobuza nobani?
Ushutha ngamiyalo lo muntu ojola naye? Maybe ngiyabekisa mawujola.
Mhlawumbe ngathi ufuna ukumbona. Mhlawumbe angazi like nje no.
Akathembakale ukuthi bemambona mmure makamsaka.
Yabo, ngoba uthi uyabhayiza naye lo wami nje angibona mbone lapha. Hey, bukhali bhuti.
Zolila. So ngicela ukubuza into eyi-one. I don't know about you because I don't know you that deep, yabo. What makes ama-2000 ngidate nabantu abadala kunami?
Okay.
One is because of ngithi ngifuna into yeni yenzeke quick, fast, like whatever you want, something like that.
Okay.
Sifiso siyaxolisa. But we have to ask such questions.
Okay, the reason why ama-2000 they want like izinto fast. Okokuqala thithi ngibuyele futhi emuva ngilandisele.
Yeah.
First okokuqala remember ukuthi umfana omncane angeke angenzele lento mina ngiyifunayo.
Yeah.
Because of mina ngibone ifana nokuthi ngithole umngane ngithole vele lokathonda nabantu abadala. But mina I'm new. You understand? Kuleyo nto leyo ngiyamkheba i-friend yami. Obviously umngane makayenza into eso ngeke na uhlala ungahaleli ukwenza into eso.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So umngane it depends nakhona ukuthi environment.
Ufuna ngani? Leli. Lithoza bani?
Environment lelo obuya kuyo wena ubuya kuphi. So thina ama-2000 the problem ukuthi ama-2000 hayi basenzele imihlolo.
Wish.
Bamusha imishado. Babhidliza ama-relationship abantu.
Yeah.
Bamusha ama-relationship abantu. Abakhona ukuthi nabo bahlale stable like ngitho ukuthi ifame kahle thina sayithanda. Yenzwa ngithi ifame mawugqoke kahle ugqoke ini asingakhalela ubese nemali nani. Mara wena mawusungena imali angisekho kuwe sengeke umunye nemali. So that's how ama-2000 ingqondo yabo icabanga kanjalo. Abacabangeli ukuya phambili. Bacabangela into yamanje.
So wena eze sohambile ubhampile shayisa imbonile mabona what have you learned and what have you changed about that mentality?
Ngifundile lezo. Yeah, ngifundile ukuzithanda, ukuzihlonipha, ukuba selfish ngami. Angifundi like ukuthi manje njalo ngicabangela umuntu ongeke ngicabangele. Because mina I was the one umuntu like othi makalokho njani makacabanga or umuntu makanaye ngicabangele ukuthi lo uzofila kanjani. But mina yena lo muntu lo yena ufila kanjani ngami. You understand? So ngifunde one thing ukuthi umuntu okhona ukubekezelela, umuntu okhona uku-appreciate the way ungakhona, umuntu ozokhona uku-understand the way ungakhona, umuntu onyikazi athi ngoba kini bayenza so yekela into eso. Ngifundise ukuthi nje ifamily yami izaqala nami ngizaqala. That's what I mean.
So there's a guy is bigger than you more than 7 years, maybe 10 years. Mdala kuwe more than 10 years. And he wanna marry you and he's well off. So what would you do? Zomtshela uSifiso. So who you wanna tell first? Now we are provided monthly allowance.
Mara maybe
Go out every weekend. Go busy nje.
Mhlawumbe maybe ngatshela umama atshele yena. Ngithi ngihlale naye so.
So you can't date a person who's older than you. More
No,
than 10 years older than you.
Sengenza example. But mina umuntu ngifuna umuntu ongishiya mhlambe maybe 3 years or 4 years. Hayi kuyale hayi ngekele.
Yeah. So athi uSifiso naye yena akayivumi le ndaba le. Athi akayivumi yena njengobhuti omkhulu hayi ngiyayiphikisa mina. And if yenzeka mina vele I'm no longer part of the family. And that guy is well off, you can tell he's well off. Yeah, before the process leyo so uqalile ukuthengela indlu vele athi le yakho na imoto yakho. If wena sengicede bavumile ekhaya yini, this is yours.
Yo, ngayeka yonke into.
And take your family first.
Yo, ngayeka yonke into.
Ne.
Yo.
Uthatha isifiso ukuthi hayi.
Hayi isifiso ngibeka phambili.
Oh,
Isifiso
shout
uteko
out.
kwesifiso Sandile angibabeka phambili.
Shout out to you. Shout out.
Nobhuti wami Sandile. Sweet.
Yeah, no, shout out.
Yeah, akakuthanda ukukhuluma yena. Naye isifiso nakathanda ukukhuluma. Kancane bathola boyithula.
Ne.
Bakhuluma. But nakhona nje uyayibheka eqala ukuthi yini le
ikhuluma.
Hayi nje nje uvula ukhulume ngathi manje ukhuluma nomngane wakho. Ngiyaba respect kakhulu.
No, shout out to them, all of them. You grow up Gauteng, and you grow up seeing a celebrity in TV, and when we're live, and you see those people in TV and live, they are different. Different type of people. Bekwenzani lokho nje encourage or discourage lo muntu lo e-TV musuka so, but live wow, it's something else.
Ibuhlungu because of fame. Umuntu asukuthi yonke into uzoba ne-experience kuyo yonke into.
Yeah, you can't.
You understand? So I won't judge mina ngithi hey mana ngoba ngiyababona mana ngiyababona ngihlangana nabo day noma ngivuke ekseni mangithi ngawuzungibona ngilona. You understand? Angiba yehlisi or ngibacekele phansi or what. Maybe nabo banawo ama izinto zabo mhlambe maybe udlula ipast yabo.
Yeah.
You understand? So I won't be much towards this conversation. But it's so painful if you see umuntu wakhona umbone TV amuhle anjani ecula enzani actor enzani then bese umbona live. Ngawubheka situation
ayisafani
uthi mawukhale inyembezi.
Yeah.
So
angifuna isikhulume mhlambe ngibekuse about any celebrity, but it's not going back in background yakhe le deep because it's going to be too personal. Ngifuna sikhulume ngama celebrity le ahlala cishe ngaliyo uhlala ngakhona wabona almost elkhecho every time. Aboba abanye ulukile wa engage nabo and everything, and maybe mhlawumbe waba nenhlanhla kumbe someone who you know I engage nabo ababuza ama question amanye deep inspire abobani so.
Okay, ukila ka vele bangilungisa esikoleni vele okumuntu nje vele alright, but we are not besingakhulumi ukuthi sixoxe nani
before you become a celebrity.
Yeah.
What is original name?
Sabelo. Yeah, Sabelo.
Oh, RIP to him. Yeah. Sorry, Kupo Matuna. Okay, wait, that's a shy, but
Sabelo. Yeah, something like this. Ngikhohlwa because ngingikho kakhulu.
Yeah.
So ukuthi njalo masikhuluma esikoleni simbone Eco Park bakhulumile nabangani bakhe sinibonke izingoma bekahlala la eZondi.
Okay. It's not far away from la uhlala khona. La uhlala khona.
Abongekho kude from esikoleni.
No, okay.
And then baningi Nandi.
Oh, Mam Nandi, the one who passed away just right now. So RIP to her. Yeah.
Nalo mfana lo.
Mam Nandi naye ugilwa xoxa naye. Awukazi. But you
nje mangibheka nje ngibona ukuthi ya. Umuntu right because mawumbulisa sokozana yabo dezinjalo. And then omunye ngambona there's this guy who smoking mirrors. Smoking mirrors. Is it the enemy sorry? Uvelani, that's Uvelani. Ngibonisa yena.
Okay.
Yeah. Na uhlala khona ngale. Alright, sharp, philile. And then there's this guy eThabuzansi bicycle. Ngikhohle baba nje ungathi unempandla nyana sorry for khuluma kanjalo.
Awunempandla phela
Yeah, unempandla yena then unenywele la uhlala eBrownfish. Most nje abantu eThabuzansi bicycle bane eBrownfish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then Mpura Kaiwan. Lapho but ukanjho right.
Was
Then
right guy because no longer here.
nabo Jack Mabaso.
Oh, okay.
Ngibani futhi? No Mama Kapuleng. Rhythm City.
Okay. Oh.
Futhi lo ngibona usually kakhulu
Ne. Let's talk about, you say you attended funeral ka Kilagawe no Mpura. Yeah. Okay. Before we talk about the funeral.
Deep, yo.
No,
Okay, it's fine.
You were there, you experienced. Yabo. Bomazi domfana uKilagawe before he became Kilagawe. And manje basinangu domfana so social media. You understand? What was happening like? Because domfana was shake up. We told you like, yeah, because before Bom found out, they were looking for them. You remember? But because they're in social media, busy doing the dance move, everything. So now Bamanje is about famous. We went because you not been found actually a college party. Neighbor schools. What was happening maybe that time? Like Masai Aluba famous maybe that day, maybe that week or that month. At the school in Nagasaki, if you remember very well.
Like Kilagawe, bekafana nami nawe. Masla endlini. Yabo. Famba sesikolweni kune-feeding scheme nani. Bangasumuntu omezayo mhlambe.
It was not a private, it was a government school.
Government school.
Okay.
Bekungasumuntu ikhukumezayo. Ukuthi nje jala dala bebalebele ba-hosta. So abathina besingabe ama-even amabheshi ini yabo esikoleni. So ifilm yakhe mhlawumbe iqale kanjalo uyabona wahlangana noPhutsha kuMpura yabona kanjalo uMbali yabo uMbali noKamumphela yena lo yabo
kanti uKamumphela lo uthola ukuthi yena lapha
ngitshelile ngithi mara wena
but that time was young benga akabona wayifuna into ngibheke kahle
because manje ukhuluphele phela
okay
so lawo bantu laba ngeke ngithi bebazikhukhumeza bekwabantu abozobona ukuthi eish laba angeke TV lo ngibona cula ngoba abantu nje abaright abayiphilela nje nami namazibuke ekseni kanjalo yabo
normal
lapho uKilagawe kabena 23 yenza umatric obenza grade 11 ngisakhumbula yabo alokana 23 mara waqeda waphuma wahamba ilapho sikamba
lezinto zakhe kahle uyafuna khona. And now we heard but they find an accident and they passed away. Kanjani nje lapho le strat leso that week nje.
Yo yabona accident awonlayi bengekho lapho.
Awongekho na?
Bengekho because of into yenzeke thina
nasi. Angisho lapha kule scene. Ngisho lapha ngisekuqala prepare ama preparation we funeral and everything.
Thina sivele safika ngomncwabo. Azange sisozila ama candle lights.
Avele senivele. Shaya what 20 gate. It was another funeral, ne? Like if you see a young person same age as you, like Ashona just like that. I said they get fame and they leave fame just like that. Bashona kanjalo. Kwathini man mangani manhle. Ngala niyaphuza. Phela ngiyazi nina ama-2000 vele ayi nami funeral yami izoba busy ne angicabanga ukuthi eshiyani these people they have died so early
ukukhala
ne
ungasacabangeli ukuthi mina ngiyofa kanjani uzibuza ukuthi mina ngiyeze ngife kanje so yabona ukuthi izinto zabo Kilagawe asizazi maybe izamaluminati zani so abantu bakhuluma izinto eziningi
because there was a viral video there before they passed away ukuthi abakhuluma about mina kama ngifa allegedly but that if I really remember that clip ukuthi I mean I don't mind to die but I mind ukuthi bathi mababuya ku funeral yami ama after tears ngiba ngathi ngavubona into ngiphuze lapho sengiphinde ngiyabuyela ngala so and after it was less than a month if I'm not mistaken and they passed away and it was another one
because hey
ne
bekumuntu onothando
ne
yabona voice yakhe yabona uza nje nengoma bayirelease ukuthi this thing it was man beba aware ukuthi sekuyilanga lokufa
usho kanjani
yeah because angithi uyazi ukuthi Illuminati nani bakunika isigwebo sokuthi uzohlala isikhathi singakanani
bazosuka then allegedly bazosuka
oh okay
allegedly yeah
so
but for the first but even if they were in that thing if they said so allegedly so it's so quick but umfana last time even the 5 years but I think bethu no poor
so uyabona ukuthi mhlambe maybe ngaba into zabantu or into zani umona phela ukhona
yeah that's true so into leqakile is that boy Chima Shikho azokhuluma ukuthi abompuru babonile in allegedly so you say but you said so ukuthi athi ubabonile in Kathinyalo ngani was in Nigeria
uScott Mapuma umapolisa uyokunjani bathi uyoungster
ubabonile
athi bekana because bakakhipha ingoma le Piri Maroon
ngithi uthi ubone umpura ngale eNigeria
nokhila kawo ubabonile ngale laba manje bathi bayaphila ngale you understand so into esizwa manje isizwa so kunye
yeah that's the reason that boy was traumatized that guy I think was uzohlala
umphefumulo walo wabokhile maybe ungale
but wonke nomzimba wakho
yeah they can take spirit sakho
nomzimba wakho at the same time because akabonanga spirit but ubone umuntu straight
ushuthi ubone spirit or maybe ubone umuntu ofana nothi angazi yazi
yeah that's the reason bekangqona ukuthi ngabe amniki interview but we don't know because he was arrested and ngathi uphumile if I'm not mistaken but now it's quiet because who released a video was apologizing and something like that let's talk about you going to that school of yours, that girls' school, only girls, even the teachers were girls. How? But it's like,
mixed principal was a lady.
But it's a girls' school only, but I'm a teacher on now. You're supposed to be
a student.
Nah. So tell us, what takes you to that girls' school?
Mama.
What's it?
Oh, mama. Oh, hey.
When's that, mom? When's that?
Angazi siyabalekisana. Angazi.
How old were you that time?
16,
grade 8. In standard 6. So Utiana, Nyalo, I'm taking you out to the school and I'm bringing you to the school. And the person research how like this school is what's different to this school? So you find out this is a girls' school. And what comes first in your mind?
Obviously, my father.
Oh, this is so funny. Was so tired you got me.
Benye focus. Bekasingabona ukuthi hayi ngisiyabonakala la.
Siyamoshakala.
Mina ayigobe nje.
Yakobeka mara.
Bathi ligotsha selimali.
Mara yakobeka mara. Ube sacinile leli. Leli besomile
ngesakobeka. Yakobeka kancane yakhula. Yashintsha nawo.
So what is happening in that girls' school? First year, first month, first week, you enter that girls' school. What was happening? Oh, it was December time. Next day you going there, you planning. Mara why mama ngenza kanje nani. Manje sengenza ngoma mpela qobo December lo. Ngithi bangiyangale next year. Hayi ngiyoba ngenzile ngiqedile. It's like my phethlweni yabo. Imagine you are next month. This month, uphuza kakhulu, ubhema kakhulu. More gangster, like you understand?
December.
To
Yabona ukuthi nje next year uyawona nje.
such a school.
Because ngisemangothi bengifunda eKhulani. Khulani yagcina grade 7. Bengawu sengihamba ngegirls. So that December wise ngiyazi ukuthi unjelo baba sengiyaqala first year yami. Ngiyaqala grade 8 mama yangiphelezela uyangikhapha.
So it's a walking distance.
Abazali.
It's a walking distance.
Yeah, ngawalka ngahamba ngeTaxi. Ukusuka ekhaya.
Okay.
Mama baqeda ngiphelezela sindaba uthisha ini basifaka emaklasini class lakho leli baza ama list nani bese abazali bayahamba siyafunda.
So ngiyazi ukuthi laphana phela esinye isikhathi umunye ufuna ukutshintsha naye abemfana but intombazane lapha nabanye bonzana abagcwa nje acting yabo nje somehow.
Yeah, yona mina ngithole vele njalo because kuleso sikole bekukhona abatala bebakhona yodala.
So they are
Kambo yaphinda
ne
uzuhlale naphinda aphinde isikolo uphinde class nawe moya grade 9 athi 8 mhlawumbe ngithole lapho sekayo nawe labo bafike eqala kunami bamshiya
yo
ngenxa ne-behavior futhi
ne awuthi laphana i-behavior counts.
Yeah, because of most amantombazana ase-girls average yabo nje pregnancy
ne ba-pregnant kanjani because nina nihlala namantombazane makaphuma ekhaya yena uyapheyisa
futhi uyabhadala
but
basesikolweni ubayilesibhiyeni ngoba uyabona ukuthi obvious.
So bekungena boarding.
Isikolo nje sona sibhekile nje ngathi i-boarding school because sinamangapha nangale.
It's huge, ne? So what's the snack thing that you ever done to that school?
There's nothing. Yeah, I won't talk about that. There's nothing.
But why not?
Haven't done anything.
It's really bad.
Guys, I haven't done anything.
It's really bad. Did you ever dated another woman? I won't ever. But first, before we start this podcast, we talk about what's ufuna uba lesbian utshela umama wakho. Ngikhambe ngingasayirikhola khona mawuthi girls ngwenzile msibuku angathi bekungqona kahle ngibuyele khona futhi again f word to these guys, like let me do girls guys.
Okay, esikolweni ke so being actor as if ngathi lesbian ni butch because kune butch ne fuchi.
Okay, what's the difference? Yeah,
butch intombazane ezenza umfana straight.
Okay.
Ifuchi intombazane at the same time uthi uba umfana ku-butch uba intombazane usho ukuthi ifana nentombazane nomfana. Then kuba nama after 9 or ama after 3 kuthiwa amasu esikolweni uba lesbian uma uphumile esikolweni
uba straight.
So straight yabona into ezinjalo.
Oh, but you black.
So girls almost kahle girls or girls yi-one elokishini ngale how dizona.
So now you also which one were you?
Mina bengi-butch.
Bengafuna
ukusheba. The problem bengafuna ukusheba because they were doing easy.
Also what was happening, guys? We wish to know that one.
Obviously, you know with ama lukunjani ama lesbian bayenzani.
I don't know, I'm not a lesbian.
No.
But I'm not a lesbian. I look like a lesbian or what? I look like okay, I'm not a gay. I'm not a girl first. Like, let's talk about it. I'm not a girl. I look like a gay.
Okay, what comes in your mind when you think like intombazane is like bangayenzani in your mind?
By those, what do you call this thing? I'm a vibrator.
Yabona.
Hey, you know,
I thought you look like a gay.
what else? Like, I'm a vibrator. I mean, like, that's the one thing that they can use to satisfy themselves.
I wish my parents knew this.
Parents, just act like you're not existing.
Yeah, okay. I'm just when they're using fingers
Mm-hmm.
to make themselves.
So, me and I'm a girl, you're a girl. We're dating one another. So, to satisfy you, I use my hands on you.
And me, I'm using my hand.
Now, not your head.
Oh, okay. Bana omunye uthi basebenzisa umlomo. Oh, did you once experience such thing?
No, I haven't experienced that thing.
The
thing that what I'm trying to say, it's like bengishela kuphela. But not guti sing ba. You understand?
So
I went.
So when you never go to that extent, you never took that route. How do you know ukuthi kuyanyanyisa ungakazi wenza?
No, obviously. Siyabona.
Yes, right.
Phela khona ama toilet khona.
So you come along and find people doing that thing.
Yeah, khona ama toilet khona nenovuminyana ngathi ibuka i-toilet mhlambe bengasebenza ayisasebenzi. Yabo. Kuningi like i-girl school iyenza that's why kunebathi kunoba ne-boy school.
Boy school ucala into yamagame lapho.
Into zamagame, you understand? Remember ukuthi phela angeke baze ngale mantombazaneni.
So abothisha bayazi lento le. They can't stop it.
Hey, abazenzani?
And
was some of my mantombazane lapho ajola nabo se maybe akona mina sazi. The point is
so fish hayi ziyakhala ziyalila.
It's biblical.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, boy, girl.
Yeah, it's really hard.
I'm sasizibona ijobheki.
Ne.
Uzizobona nje ugeza amehlo.
Ne.
Ziyakhala. Imihlolo.
Yeah.
Siphethe kwasani.
Ngali ne.
Sitabane gay, sitabane lesbian, so uthola
so nezinye futhi ngaphandle kwalezo. Ngisho sineletinye ngaphandle kwalezo.
I think is usufa.
Ne.
Mara most i-average sekhamba ama-gay quite
So. So you last for how long in that school? Grade 8, 9, 10. So you're calling Italy like schooling. That's when you realize you're calling. How do you realize you're calling? Because I know people they wanna know that.
My calling, yeah. Because angithi mongazi into ngeke uzicabangele ukuthi ngaba yiyo yeah, so angeke ngikhulume kakhulu. Maybe mama mbuyo waziyo bekabona notice mhlambi ngoba uyazazi izinto lezi.
Oh, your mom knows.
Yeah, uyazazi ukuthi ukhaba unenyanga nani stuff. Maybe uyabona umama uyaboniswa kakhulu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, uyaboniswa kakhulu. Maybe khona ezinye izinto ethi mangizenza bese ngisho ukuthi mina zi-right kanti uyabona ukuthi izenziwa yini. So ayingikhuluma kakhulu.
I think this one you need the episode you want. The calling. See, gonna we unpack because there are a lot of yabona lele interesting lele ngithusa kakhulu ukuthi you want being intimate with your best friend.
Ngiyabhoka.
and walokhu inyawo lapho ayasakhona come. So you need to call your parents and come and pick up with her. With your friend. Hi, I say Ivan. Guys, hey, I know we get a lot of parts with me with Nuko. I am running on my episode of Naswa dropping. Let's say and pick a guy here. A bit interesting. See, Valentine in closing. Don't take your child to girls' school or boys' school.
Shout out.
Shout out to Spiso also.
Shout out to Spiso.
Yeah.
Putwam. Love you,
Yeah.
Sandile.
Yeah.
Nyansanda nonke. Uzobuya ku episode 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, part 3 by the way, episode 3.
Part 3.
So, I'm gonna tell people that they wanna next year they wanna take their kids to boys' school or to girls' school.
Bazali. Ningayisa abantwana benu girls school. Kunemihlolo.
Yeah.
Mara it depends. Ukuthi umntana kwena.
Uziphethe kanjani.
This
What you want.
and this. But hey,
Zaka.
khona abadala abanikazi seba magistrates nama-president asesikolo.
Ma-president awamo girls' school.
Uma uqedile sekayabuyela usasekhona lapho kuyongena nomntanakho usasekhona lapho.
And ngiyezwa bathi those people who are dating girls bathi banelunya man banedlame banesikhwele nabona
Ngishaya.
nabona
Bengenasikhwele ngiyazi mina ngenzani.
ayihle nopokotsotsi la I know Saivala. Shout out to your family, dog. Shout out to the support that they're giving it to you every day, every now and then, every second. They check up on you, like,
subscribe,
comment,
please, guys.
Saivala. Thank you.